There you go, Tiff.
Run.
Run, Lex. There you go, Tiff. I don't think they can hear us in there, can they? No. Oh.
We're like jogging.
They just do sign language to them. Look at
I'd
Tiff.
be running like a
Lexi.
hamster on a wheel. That's what I would be doing. They're down on the ground.
Come on, Lexi, move around. Oh, we can hear them.
Yeah, is Sissy in a ball? Hi, Sissy in a ball. Why aren't they standing up?
It's probably hard to balance. It's like walking on water. No, it's 5 minutes and then they're...
Lexi, run like a hamster. Run like a hamster.
She's like, Mom, I can't hear you.
That would be fun. We should do this. Yeah, Sissy doing a ball. Sissy doing a ball.
White Jordan?
That ball.
Yeah,
that
your
ball.
Is that your ball? Yeah. You're too little, baby.
I'm going to take a few pictures.